Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Essie. If this is your first time, you are absolutely welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how I make my homemade tomatoes paste. First of all, you wash your tomatoes, remove the seed if you feel like, but I remove the seed of the bell pepper and I leave the one of the tomatoes. And you place your tomatoes on your pot, put it in your gas, you leave it for some hours to simmer. In a low heat, leave it to simmer and don't forget to be checking it every 30 minutes. So I cook this overnight in a very low heat. After sometimes it look like this, the time the tomatoes will not grill hot. You see the juice, the tomatoes juice. In this process, I feel like drinking the juice because it was stinking in my nose. I can drink anything the table. After the simmer, it will look exactly like this. My whole later went burn because I forgot it. I went to sleep. Then you put it in your grinder. Be careful so that the burns will not follow it into your blender. This is it, guys. This is your tomato paste. You can try yours at home. You can leave this in the fridge for like 4 to 6 weeks. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Till next time, guys, thanks for wishing me happy birthday. I love you all. Bye for now.